Hey, welcome back. Really glad you're here today.
This is the simple and easy way to learn English.
Hey, how are you? How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, actually. I had a nice morning. Slow start, coffee, a walk. Very peaceful.
That sounds really lovely. I need mornings like that more often.
Honestly, it makes such a difference. When the morning is calm, the whole day feels better.
So true. Right, okay, today's episode. I'm actually really excited about this one.
Me too, because this is super practical.
Today, we are talking about daily speak, real English, the kind people actually use every single day in real conversations.
Not textbook English, not formal English. Real, natural, everyday English.
The stuff native speakers say without even thinking about it.
And after today, you will use it too. A2 level, natural, ready to go.
If you enjoy this kind of real English content, please like this video and subscribe to Daily English channel. It really does help us grow. Thank you so much. Okay, let's start with greetings, because even greetings have better options.
Most learners say, hello, how are you, every single time.
Which is fine, but there are so many more natural ways.
Hey, how's it going? Very casual, very everyday.
What's up? Very informal, between friends.
How are you getting on? British English means how are things going?
How have you been? You haven't seen the person in a while.
You all right? Very British. Sounds like a question, but it's just a greeting.
Yes, you all right doesn't always need a deep answer.
You just say, yeah, good, thanks, you, and move on.
Exactly. It's a greeting, not a therapy session.
And responses, instead of I am fine, thank you.
Try, not bad, thanks. Pretty good, you? Can't complain? Bit tired, but good.
Can't complain. Things are okay. Nothing to be unhappy about.
Very British response. Very natural.
Bit tired, but good. Honest and human. People appreciate honesty.
Much more interesting than I am fine. Now, agreeing, because in real conversations, you agree a lot.
And yes, every time gets boring very fast.
Better ways to agree? Absolutely.
Strong agreement. Should we meet at 2? Absolutely.
Definitely. Very confident agreement.
Totally. Very casual, very common, especially in American English.
Exactly. You feel the same way. The other person said what you were thinking.
Couldn't agree more. Maximum agreement. You fully agree.
That's so true, responding to an observation or opinion.
Right? Very casual. You want them to agree with you.
It's so cold today, right? I can't feel my fingers.
Very relatable in winter.
Tell me about it. Strong agreement. You feel the same pain.
Work has been so stressful lately.
Tell me about it. I haven't slept properly in weeks.
So much better than just yes.
Now, showing interest. When someone is talking and you want to show you're listening.
These are called back-channeling phrases, small sounds and words that say, I'm here, keep going.
Oh, really? Surprised and interested.
No way. Strong surprise.
That's interesting. You find it genuinely interesting.
Wow. Simple but effective.
I didn't know that. Honest reaction. You learned something.
And then what happened? You want to hear more. Classic storytelling prompt.
Oh, I know what you mean. You've had the same experience.
Go on. Please continue. I'm listening.
Seriously? You can't believe it. Surprised.
These tiny phrases keep conversations alive.
Without them, talking to someone feels like talking to a wall.
And nobody wants to be the wall.
We want to hear from you right now, actually.
Which of these phrases have you heard before but never used yourself?
Tell us in the comments. Just pick one and write it in a sentence.
Practice starts right here, right now, in the comments section.
Now, softening things, making sentences gentler and more natural.
Real English is not always direct. People soften their words.
Instead of, I don't like it, it's not really my thing.
Not really my thing. Polite way to say you don't enjoy something.
Horror films aren't really my thing. Much softer than, I hate horror films.
Instead of, that's wrong, I'm not sure that's quite right.
I'm not sure that's quite right. You disagree, but gently.
Quite, in British English, softens everything.
It's quite expensive. It costs a lot, but said politely.
It's a bit complicated, instead of, it's very difficult.
A bit means slightly, not too much.
I'm a bit tired. It's a bit cold. That's a bit strange.
A bit makes everything sound less dramatic, more calm.
And sort of or kind of, roughly, approximately, not exactly.
I sort of understand, but not completely.
It was kind of fun, you enjoyed it, but it wasn't amazing.
Kind of and sort of fill the space between yes and no.
Very useful for honest, nuanced answers.
Now, buying time, because in real conversations, your brain needs a moment sometimes.
Everyone needs time to think, even native speakers.
Let me think about that for a second.
That's a good question. Classic. Buys time while you think.
Where do I start? You have a lot to say, you're organizing your thoughts.
Give me a moment. Polite and direct. You need a few seconds.
So, a filler that signals you're about to say something.
Right. So, very natural way to start an explanation.
I mean, you're clarifying or expanding what you just said.
What I mean is correcting or explaining more clearly.
You know what I mean? Checking they understood you.
All of these are completely normal. Even native speakers use them constantly.
Using fillers doesn't mean your English is bad, it means your English is human.
Exactly. Natural English has pauses. It has and so and I mean.
Perfectly fluent speech with no pauses sounds like a robot.
Don't be a robot. Be human. Use your fillers.
Now, ending conversations, because how you finish is just as important.
Most learners just say goodbye and stop.
Which is fine, but there are warmer, more natural options.
It was great catching up after talking with someone you haven't seen in a while.
We should do this again soon. You want to meet again.
Take care. Very warm and friendly. Very common.
Talk soon. You'll speak again soon.
Let me know if you need anything and offer to help.
Have a good one. Have a good day, evening, whatever comes next.
Speak later. Very casual. You'll talk again later.
Right, I'll let you go. You're ending the call or conversation politely.
I'll let you go. You're releasing them, not keeping them too long.
Very considerate. Very British.
Very British. Always worried about taking up someone's time.
Okay, one full dialogue, everything together.
Two friends, they haven't seen each other for a while, running into each other.
Oh, hey, how have you been? It feels like ages.
I know, right? I've been pretty good. Bit busy, but good. You?
Can't complain, honestly. Work is a lot right now, but outside of that, life's good.
Tell me about it. I feel like everyone's busy at the moment.
Exactly. Hey, I heard you moved to a new place.
Yeah, finally. It was kind of stressful, but I love it now.
No way, that's amazing. Is it much bigger than before?
Sort of. It's not huge, but the area is so much nicer. I should have done it years ago.
I bet. Right, I won't keep you. I know you're probably rushing somewhere.
I am a bit, yeah, but this was so good. We should catch up properly soon.
Absolutely. Let me know when you're free.
Will do. Take care.
You too. Talk soon.
Beautiful. Every phrase completely natural.
How have you been? Can't complain. Tell me about it. Kind of. Sort of. No way. I bet. Right. Talk soon. Take care.
Real English, the kind you hear on the street, in a cafe, between friends.
And now you have it too. Okay, one more important section. Phrases for when things go wrong.
Oh yes, because life is not always smooth. And you need English for the hard moments too.
Oh no. Simple. Everyone understands.
That's a shame. Something disappointing happened, but not terrible.
I can't believe it. Something surprising and bad.
What a nightmare. Something very stressful or difficult.
It happens. No big deal. These things are normal.
These things happen. Same meaning. Very calming phrase.
Don't worry about it when someone apologizes and you want to reassure them.
No worries. Very casual. Very forgiving. Very natural.
It's not the end of the world. It's bad, but not catastrophic.
We'll figure it out. Don't panic. Together, you will find a solution.
Look on the bright side. Find the positive in a bad situation.
I missed my train.
Look on the bright side. You have time for another coffee. The eternal British solution. More coffee.
Always more coffee.
These phrases make you sound calm, mature, like someone people want to be around.
And honestly, they help you too. Saying it's not the end of the world out loud makes you believe it.
So true. Words are powerful, even the ones you say to yourself.
Especially those.
And one final group, phrases for making plans.
Because daily English isn't just talking, it's also organizing.
Are you free on? Asking about availability.
Are you free on Friday evening?
What are you up to this weekend? Casual way to ask about plans.
Do you fancy? British way of asking if someone wants to do something.
Do you fancy grabbing a coffee sometime?
That works for me. The time or plan is good for you.
Let's say 2 o'clock, suggesting a time.
I'll pencil you in. I'll add it to my schedule, not fully confirmed yet.
Let's confirm the day before. You'll double check connect closer to the time.
I'll drop you a message. I'll text or message them.
Looking forward to it. You're excited about the plan.
All very natural, all very everyday.
Making plans in English doesn't have to be complicated.
Short phrases, clear meaning, friendly tone.
That's daily English. Simple, but effective.
And now, it's yours. Okay, quick review of today's daily speak.
Better greetings. How's it going? How have you been? You all right? Can't complain.
Better agreement. Absolutely. Totally. Exactly. Couldn't agree more. Tell me about it.
Showing interest. Oh, really? No way. And then what happened? Go on? Seriously?
Softening. Not really my thing. A bit, kind of, sort of. I'm not sure that's quite right.
Buying time. Let me think. That's a good question. I mean, you know what I mean.
Ending conversations. Take care. Talk soon. Have a good one. I'll let you go.
All A2 level. All natural. All human.
And now, 2 questions in the comments today.
Number 1, pick your favorite phrase from today and use it in a sentence. Show us you've got it.
Number 2, is there a daily English phrase you keep hearing but don't fully understand? Write it below. We will explain it in a future episode.
We genuinely read every single comment, every one.
Thank you so much for being part of Daily English Channel.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to Daily English Channel so you don't miss our next one. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.